What are intents in Android? Differentiate between explicit intent and implicit intent with code snippets for each. Explain how Android system resolves an implicit intent using intent filters defined in the Android manifest.xml. What role do the action category and data implements play in intent resolution? An intent is an object that carries information about an action to be performed. It can start an activity, start a service, send a broadcast, open another application, pass data between components. Types of intent: explicit intent and implicit intent. Explicit intent. Explicit intent specifies the exact activity or component that should be started. It is mainly used within the same application. Example: a login screen opens the home screen after a successful login. Code example: intent is equal intent fair space intent is equal to new intent simple bracket login activity dot this comma home activity dot class simple bracket close end statement. Start activity intent start activity simple अरे start activity ये दूसरी लाइन में लिखना है. Start activity simple bracket intent simple bracket close end statement. Applications: login to home screen, home to settings, profile to edit profile. Advantage: direct communication, fast execution, secure and easy to understand. Second, implicit intent. An implicit intent does not specify a particular component. Instead, it specifies an action to perform, and Android finds a suitable application that can handle it. Example: opening a web page. Intent space intent is equal to new intent simple bracket intent dot action underscore view action underscore view in capital simple word simple bracket close end of statement. फिर नीचे intent dot set data simple set data एक साथ simple brackets URI dot parse parse फिर simple bracket start डबल कोट्स में http colon / www.google.com double quotes close simple bracket close end statement. Start activity simple bracket open intent simple bracket close end statement. Other examples: open camera, send email, make a phone call, open galleries, share text. Advantage: reuses existing applications, flexible, promotes interoperability, less and has less coding. Difference between implicit and explicit intent. Explicit intent specifies the exact component used in within the same app, faster and more secure. Example: open home activity. Implicit intent specifies only the action, can interact with other apps, flexible but depends on matching apps. Example: open browser. Intent resolution in Android. When an implicit intent is sent, Android must determine which application can handle it. This process is called intent resolution. Android compares the intent with the intent filters declared in the Android manifest.xml file. If a matching component is found, it is launched automatically. If only one app matches, Or Android displays a chooser if multiple apps can handle the इंटेंट रेजोल्यूशन प्रोसेस. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे यूज़र एक्शन, फिर नीचे एरो करके इम्प्लिसिट इंटेंट, फिर नीचे एरो करके एंड्रॉयड सिस्टम, फिर लाइन नीचे चेक्स इंटेंट फिल्टर्स, फिर एरो नीचे मैचिंग एप्लीकेशन फाउंड, फिर नीचे एरो एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट्स. इंटेंट फिल्टर. An intent filter tells Android which type of intent an activity, service, or broadcast receiver can respond to. It is declared in the Android manifest.xml file. Elements used in intent resolution. 1. Action. Action specifies what operation should be performed. Common actions are action underscore wave, action underscore send, action underscore call, and action underscore dial, action underscore main. Example, intent dot action underscore wave, used for opening web pages or viewing files. Second, category. The category provides additional information about the component that should handle the intent. Common categories: category underscore default, category underscore browsable, category underscore launcher. Example, category underscore launcher identifies the application's main launch activity. Third, data. Definition. The data element specifies the type of data or URI that the element operates on. Example, http://www.google.com. Contact details, tel number. Example, intent.setData simple bracket URI dot parse simple bracket double quotes google.com for simple double quotes close simple bracket close simple bracket close दो बार है और end statement. Importance of intents. Communication between activities, communication between applications, data sharing, launching services, starting broadcast, easy navigation. Advantage of using intents: loose coupling between components, easy navigation, code reusability, interoperability, interoperability between applications, efficient communication, better user experience. Example, e-commerce app, user taps call customer support. The app creates an implicit intent with action underscore dial. Android checks all installed apps. The iPhone app has a matching intent filter. The Android launches the phone app with the customer support number.